Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club in Avon Park, Florida. And you're looking at my brand new Durafly Slowpoke. Now if y'all watch my channel, you know that I did have the original blue one, Slowpoke, and well, I'd long since sold it and got to missing it. And so I got this one, a replacement. You can't get the blue one anymore. You have to get the red one, and that's fine. I've given her a clear coat, and the only other mod is put a little piece of like, I don't know, it's actually foam packing, but it looks like a scarf, and I tied that around the pilot's neck. Rates are 100% throws over 30% expo. Very I think I'm gonna have to dial that in because look at how much movement I got. So I'm gonna be very easy on the sticks. So anyways, got a 2700 3S HobbyStar inner. Run an AR620 Spektrum antennaless receiver. And I've already done my range test. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. No gyro, just me. Not a rocket ship, for sure. But if I remember right, the Slowpoke I had before was not a rocket ship either. Yeah, not bad at all. I think some things have shifted around. I'm going to have to move that battery forward a little bit because she seems like she's flying kind of tail heavy to me. Let's go ahead and put her down. All right. Yeah, just seems like she just ran a little tail heavy to me, so. Whoa, hey, easy now. Now she's got very, very hard, what do you want to hear before you touch a model?
Motor off.
She's got a very, very hard landing gear. The wheels are like made of concrete or something. I mean, they are, so there's just a tiny little bit of give to them, but you have to press in with your strength just to get them to press in. So let's move that battery a little further forward there. See if that doesn't help a little bit. Okay, thought I had the CG right, but she just feels like she's a little bit tail heavy. Yeah, that's a little bit better there. All right, the other thing I'm going to do, restrict those, I think the movement's okay. All right, we'll just, all right, just have to be a little easier on the sticks. There we go. Yeah, she's flying good. Flying real good. Looks a lot like the red e-flite MPD Commander. Let's see if I can't get a landing out of this bad boy. Well, never mind.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Very quiet. All right. Not doing too bad for a maiden, that's for sure. All right, definitely doesn't seem like she has enough oomph. So, and to me that just means, there. Definitely want to stay on the rudder. Get her up in the air, get her going. Here. Oh. Help me, help me. Help me, help me. Help me, I just fallen and I'm all over my nose. That's called taking a bow. Now, if you go all the way over, that's called taking a bow with style. Uh-oh. I believe I have bent my landing gear. Or, yeah. Oh, look at that. I got one wheel in. Motor off. So let's see what if we just can't just fix that real quick. All right. There we go. Hey, it's fixed. What it was, the wheel just got up over that and that little sideways motion. Yeah, these wheels are like super hard. All right, still got a little bit of time. Yeah, we don't have any damage. Looking good. And once she gets to going, she's good. All right. Let's see. We landed in grass. I like his little scarf. You can really see it. All right. Let's try taking off in the grass here. Little sketchy on taking off there. Not too bad. Not a bad flyer at all. Yeah.
30 seconds.
Not a bad flyer at all. Alright. Let's see if we can't land on the pavement here, or the runway here. Take off on the runway.
20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, expired.
Yes, I know, time's expired. There. Get her lined up here. There we go. Not the best landing, but she didn't take her bow with style. Took it just fine. All right, well, that is the Durafly Slowpoke. And what do you want to hear before you touch a model?
Motor on.
Motor off. Hey, you did good, little guy. Let's, I forgot to bring my checker with me. But isn't that a good looking plane? I know all my planes are good looking, right? But that's just a good looking plane. I really like this color scheme. I like the blue and white better. But this is exceptionally nice. I do like this. These wire struts are not necessarily, or I don't know what they're called, cabanes, whatever. Not exactly necessary. They may be more for looks, but you know, hey, it came with a kit, so I'm using it. So as you can see what I'm flying today, well, as I go through my little clubhouse here. All right, anyways, that is a good looking, simple, kind of an old school retro style of flyer. And what you do, you just grab a hold of the pilot, and he's got a backing plate here that really holds that battery hatch on. Where I've got the 2700 pretty much buried up in there, almost all the way to the firewall, and it seems to CG just fine. I think I can put a bigger battery actually in here. Now I can't even get a hold of the battery because it's so far up in there. Oh gosh, come on. All that Velcro's saying it's mine, it's mine, it's mine. You can't have it. Battery's a little warm. 62%, not bad at all. So I could have flown for 2 more minutes easy. Unusual thing about this plane, for a foam plane, she's actually fairly heavy for such a little foam plane. But there you go. That is the Durafly Slowpoke. Good looking plane. Good stable flyer. Good at slow speeds. Will do mild aerobatics. And just a nice solid flyer. I want to say you get her for like 160, 170 bucks on Hobby King. So yeah, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is Fat Guy Flies RC saying see you later. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. Bye-bye.